How to upload decals to Roblox mobile. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch your Roblox application in your mobile device. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. To upload decals to your Roblox mobile, firstly click on the More icon. Click on Create. You'll be redirected to your Creator Hub. From here, you need to select on the three horizontal line which is at the top. Select on Creations. Scroll and click on Development Items. Again scroll and select on Decals. Tap on the Upload Asset option. From here, enter the name and upload the image of it. For the description, you can just skip it or be creative with it. Once done, click on the Upload button. Once you do this, the decal will be uploaded to your Roblox mobile. Wasn't it simple? You can copy the asset ID or you can configure it and advertise it as well. Which has brought us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.